Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Study GK. Today I discuss the digestive system related डिफाइन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉप 50 MCQ क्वेश्चन. This video very important the upcoming डिफाइन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम एंड जूलॉजी रिलेटेड एंट्रेंस जूलॉजी रिलेटेड डिफाइन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट. वीडियो को अच्छे से वॉच करें. लास्ट में ज़रूर बताना आपका स्कोर कितना है. The today and first question. In mammals, the digestion of start form. Starch means carbohydrates formed due to the presence of salivary amylase in salivary gland in mouth. It means the location of the आपको क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं लोकेशन ऑफ द salivary gland in mouth. Next question. The digestive juice contain catalytic agent. Digestive juice contain a catalytic agent. One catalytic agent. This is called as enzyme. Next question. Bilirubin and biliverdin is a bile pigment. Next question. The chemical nature of the bile acid is a steroid and the bile is produced by the liver. Liver secrete the bile acid. And next question. The pH of gastric juice. pH is a gastric juice 2. It means it is nature of it is acidic. Next question. Which part of the body secrete the hormone secretin? Duodenum secrete the hormone secretin. Next question. The largest gland in human body is the largest gland of the human body is the liver. The liver it is a length 1020 to 1060 gram. Next question. Where the Barnard gland is located? Barnard gland is located the submucosa of duodenum. The Barnard gland is located the submucosa of duodenum. Next question. The pH of the stomach range between the pH of the stomach is range between the 1.5 to 2. It is means such a acidic nature of acidic. Next question. Secretin hormone is secreted by Barnard gland. Next question. The shortest part of the digestive system. The shortest part of the digestive system is the pharynx. The 12 to 50 centimeter length. Next question. What is the function of the enterogastroene? The function of the enterogastroene it inhibit or prevent the secretion of the gastric juice. Next question. The contraction of the gall bladder is due to this is a very important question. The cholecystokinin. Next question. Gastric zymozyme enzyme is pepsinogen. Next question. Tyalin is present in salivary of tyalin also known as a salivary amylase. This is a very important. It is found in the human, ape, pig, guinea pig, mouse, squirrel, etc. So important question. Tyalin also known as a salivary amylase. So, another question. Salivary amylase also known as a tyalin. Next question. Cilia are absent in which part of the human body? Human intestine absent of the cilia. Next question. Emulsification is function as a bile. Next question. HCl is secreted from oxytocin cell. Next question. The largest variety of digestive enzyme is found in hominivora, birds and dogs. Next question. Peptide cell secreted pepsinogen, also called the chief cell and zymozyne cell. The very important. Pepsin also known as a secretive cell. Next question. Digestive enzyme are hydrolase. Next question. The calorie is a unit of, calorie is unit of the heat. Next question, calorie value of carbohydrate, protein and fat. Carbohydrate is 4.1 calorie, protein 5.65 calorie, and fat is a calorie value is a high is a in fat 9.45 calorie respectively. Next question, part of the stomach which open into the duodenum. Which part of the stomach that is open in the duodenum? That is a pyloric, last part of the stomach. Pyloric is the last part of the stomach. Next question, Gilson capsule are present in liver. Gilson capsule present in liver. Next question, Kupffer cell are present in liver. This is a very important question. Very important. Kupffer cell present in liver. Storage of fat and urea synthesis are function of storage and fat and urea synthesis are function of liver. Next question, the first process in digestion and assimilation of the fat is emulsification. Next question, digestion process in human is the extracellular. Digestion process in human is extracellular. Next question, bile salt help in digestion absorption of fat. Next question, digestion of protein is complete in duodenum. Next question, the food that enter intestine from the stomach, that is called as a chyme. The very important question. Next question, the fat and lipid are absorbed in lymph capillaries. Question, jaundice is a disease of liver. Next question, in the process of digestion in human body, the carbohydrates are broken down by the carbohydrate broken by the aminolytic enzyme. Next question, carbohydrates are stored in liver as a glycogen. What is the glycogenesis? The process of glycogen formation in liver, that is called as a glycogen. The very important question, what is the glycogenesis? Glycogenesis is the process of glycogen formation in liver. Next question, the enzyme enterokinase help in the conversion of trypsinogen to trypsin. The next question, the gallbladder is absent in rat and horse. The very important question. Next question, Wilson disease is associated with the abnormal metabolism. Wilson disease is associated with the abnormal metabolism of copper. Pale spots produce the lymphoid. Next question, a lubricating mucin in saliva is made of a glycoprotein. Next one, the total daily calorie required is always high in a pregnant woman. Next question, the mammals milk in digestion by renal. The next question, the number of essential amino acid in adult human is 9. Next question, the condition in which the potassium level is increased, this is called as a hyperkalemia. Next question, brass border cell is present in proximal convoluted tubule. Next, histamine secreted mast cell. Next question, mucus secreted by Goebbels cell by interstitial epithelium. Question, and today last question, the hepatic cell which act as a phagocytes are called as a Kupffer cell. The very important. And please comment करना आपका स्कोर कितना है.